MFC. Hey man, you wanna know how often you should train in a week, man? Each body part. Do you? You're at the right place, man. MFC, man. Tell them, help him out, man. Help him out.
What's up? So friends, it depends what is your goal. Whether you want to gain weight, muscle to gain karna, or you want to lose, or you're doing it just for fitness.
Sir, question is very good. How often should you train? Is that each body part chest 2 बारी करना है, 3 बारी करना है, या कितना करना? Yeah. What's the answer?
So general thumb rule is that large body parts like chest, back, and legs that should be trained once a week because it takes a lot of time to recover. Because lactic acid build up hunda, वो खत्म होता है, the muscle grow होने को काफी time लगता है. Smaller body parts like arms, abs, calves, ये जो है कि ये अपन ला सकते हैं हफ्ते 2 बारी week because ये recover हो जाते हैं. But this is a general thumb rule. For skinny guys, the thing is which is recommended is a 3 day split and 4 days rest karo. And a person who is doing it for fitness or weight loss, वो 4 दिन का split कर लो, 2 दिन workout कर लो, a cardio workout.
क्योंकि weight lose करना. Because you're losing weight, right? Yeah. So you need more days to burn your calories.
Skinny guys ਨੂੰ ज़्यादा time चाहिए rest करने का. ताकि muscle थोड़ा ज़्यादा ना वो regrow करेगा.
Now don't go out there in the gym. You skinny. You already skinny and sucked up, dude. You go in the gym lifting weights 6 days a week. Man, you aren't giving no shit time to your body to recover. Thanu thodi body no time chahiye recover only. You can't just build
along with the clean diet. Abundance of diet.
When you get bigger, when you think you're getting buff, then you can just like add another day to it, but just take it slowly out. Because you don't really want to go to the hospital straight away. You want to snap some shit up. How ki rehanda si sir? They like apni splits rakh lo. Just when we talk about splits, it's like chest. Hunjada sir ne kya chest ek bari karni hai. Chest, legs and back. These are big muscles, right? So chest de na triceps already burn out ho jane. You can add triceps to it, yeah. Right? Yeah, shoulder de na tusi arms da sakde ho. So that's small body part ho biceps वगैरह. That's how you can do it. I hope you get the answer to it. Whole question?
That's all.
That's about it. Okay. Here's our disclaimer. It's self advice, yeah. Just advice. Take it or leave it. Don't go out there all butthurt. It's just an advice. Bro science. Bro science मतलब?
Experience.
Experience. जेड़ा बंदा experience talk कर रहा है ना, जिधे थोड़े जे guns हों, है ना? Sorry, just always. That's how you work it out, man. So Joe, it must be true, right? So that's our disclaimer. You can take it or leave it. For next videos, we're making more tips. Keep subscribing us, guys. We love y'all,
especially on diet.
Diet.
We'll diet on diet. Right?
Make sure you're training hard as well. Don't miss your diet and shit. Okay, guys. Adios. See you later.